The graphing calculator isolate the magnitude of a complex number really quickly. What we do is we hit math, and under complex commands you'll see 5 is absolute value. That's for the magnitude of your complex number, and I can enter this in rectangular or polar complex form. Polar complex form will give you a little bit more obvious of an answer because the coefficient you enter, the first number, is your magnitude. So let's see how this works. If I enter in 2 times e to the, I don't know, pi times I power, I should get 2, which I do, right? That's the magnitude, that's the form of a polar complex number. The first number you enter is the magnitude. Of course, if you enter a number in rectangular complex form, it won't be as obvious. What you do, of course, when you're finding the magnitude of a rectangular complex number, you're using, of course, the Pythagorean theorem. In other words, if you go to math, and you might be able to see in this example, complex, and then the fifth option, absolute value. If you enter, let's say, 3 plus 4i, well, the magnitude here is going to be 5. Why? Well, because what the calculator is doing is taking 3, the a term, and squaring it, and then taking the b term, which is 4, and squaring that. So that's 9 plus 16, 3 squared plus 4 squared. That's 25, and it's taking the square root of that. In other words, this can be thought of as the hypotenuse. The square root of 9 plus 16, of course, is the square root of 25, which is 5. So that's a little background on how the calculator is working through this. Thanks.